How to learn natural English. Hello my dear friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. In this video, I will teach you something special to understand English language. Do you know about it that to learn English you have follow some tips like this, and I hope if you do it then you can learn native English language. Number 1. Understand basic grammar. To learn English, you have to know basic English grammar rules. It can be make you better and you can learn native English language. Number 2. Change your thinking. I know we all think about it that English is very difficult language, but it is not difficult. So to learn English speaking, you have changed your mindset. Number 3. Change your environment. To learn English, you have to change your environment, because if you do this, you can learn better English language. Number 4. Consume English media. To learn more English, you have to consume English media. It means you have to use English social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. You can also use English learning apps. Number 5. Utilize English speaking resources. To learn English, you have search online English courses and English language learning apps and language exchange platforms to help your learning. Number 6. Regular practice. You know, to learn English, you have to practice every day, because your consistency will be able to speak fluent English. So to learn English, you have to practice with me. Number 7. Practice the 4 skills every day. To learn English, you have to practice 4 skills every day, like speaking, reading, writing and listening. So in this video, I want to tell you that if you follow this all steps, then I believe that you can learn native English language easily at home. Hello my friends, my name is Sahid. Welcome back to my channel. You know all, I am very happy to see you all here. In this video, I want to talk about a problem that many English learners have. Do you sometimes forget words when speaking English? Do you stop speaking when you cannot find the right words? Maybe you are in a conversation, you want to say something and suddenly the word disappears from your mind. You know, it feels like the word is hidden from you. This can be very frustrating, but if this happens to you, don't worry, because I am here to help you. Do you not know about it that you are not alone? Many people, even people with good English, have this problem. It is not a big problem, it is very normal. You should understand that your brain is learning and sometimes it forgets. But in this video, I have a good news for you. I give you some tips to help you remember words when you can speak confidence English language. These tips are simple, natural and fun, and if you use them every day, you will see a big difference. You will remember more words and speaking will become easier and more natural. But before you start, you have to subscribe my channel because I teach you better English speaking. Tip number 1. Think in English. You know one of the best ways to remember words is to think in English. Don't translate from your language to English. If you think in your own language, your brain needs more time to find the English word. But if you think in English, the words will come faster. How can you do that? Start small. For example, if you see the sun, say to yourself, the sun is bright. And if you eat breakfast, say to yourself, the breakfast is tasty. You can do this every day, even with simple sentences. I hope over time your brain will get faster and you will not need to translate. According to me, if you do this, then you will be able to speak confidently English language. Thank you so much for watching this video.